To disclose or not to disclose? That is the question. I'm happy to say that after being involved in dozens of transactions in the past 7 years, I have never had any lawsuits and neither have any of the sellers or buyers that I've represented. Disclosing anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed is very important and will keep you out of litigation. And it's essential to go over all of the disclosures prior to putting your home on the multiple listing service or prior to a buyer seeing the home. We want them to have previously viewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure the buyer doesn't back out later from things they should have already been made aware of. Did you know that in Florida, massive amounts of disclosures actually need to be filled out and things need to be disclosed? This is actually a safety net, not only for the buyer, but also for you as the seller. Anything from whether or not you live on a golf course or if you have a sex offender living in the surrounding areas would have to be disclosed if you knew about it. So if you've painted the walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, you need to disclose it. One of my common sayings to my clients is actually, if you have to ask me if you should disclose it, most likely the answer is yes, you want to disclose. Over disclosure is actually always better than under disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later and telling you that they want to go to court or they want to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about. If there are issues with the property that you don't know about, then the buyer would actually have to prove that you did know and kept that from them intentionally in order to win in court. So disclose, disclose, disclose. If you're thinking of selling, give us a call. We've helped dozens of people just like you in this area, and we love to help you too. Our mission is to help everyone find their place in the world with fun in the sun.